Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to turn on and off autoplay audio on Note problem on your general settings, I mean on your account on Rednote. So first of all, enter the application and then you will find these three lines here. Click on it and here you will find the settings and then go to the general settings and here you will find this autoplay audio on Notes. Click on it and you can also turn it on and off as you like. So that's it. That's how to turn on and off autoplay audio on Notes easy and quickly. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.